Hi, everyone! Did you know that one small clove of garlic could bring huge health benefits? Let's find out what happens when you eat garlic every day. Garlic is packed with compounds like allicin, which help boost your immune system. It fights bacteria, viruses, and even helps prevent colds and flu. Eating garlic regularly can reduce blood pressure, lower cholesterol, and support better circulation, naturally helping your heart stay strong. Garlic has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. It works like a natural antibiotic, without harming your gut bacteria. It supports liver detox and helps clean your digestive tract. Many people say it reduces bloating and gas too. The sulfur compounds in garlic fight inflammation. Some studies even suggest garlic may reduce the risk of certain cancers. Crush or chop fresh garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before eating. This activates the allicin. Add it to salads, soups, or take with honey if raw garlic is too strong. 1 clove a day is a great start. So, what happens when you eat garlic every day? You protect your heart, boost your immune system, and help your body heal naturally. Have you tried it? Comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural health tips.